They call it the Devil's Anvil, a man-made wound on the face of the earth, a mine so deep it has its own weather, over 500 meters deep.
For 60 years, it has yielded untold riches, spitting out diamonds.
But it has another appetite, one for metal, one for flesh.
The mine that swallows helicopters.
This is the Mirny mine in Yakutia, Russia, the second largest man-made hole in the world. A geological scar so vast, it fundamentally changes the atmosphere above it. For decades, helicopters were the only way to ferry supplies. The air is so cold, tires on trucks freeze solid and break. But the pilots learned quickly that getting close was a risk, a fatal risk.
There's a rule etched into every pilot's memory. Do not fly over the mine.
A vortex so violent, it can grab a helicopter from the sky.
And throw it against the pit walls.
The government officially calls it a no-fly zone, a simple, sterile explanation.
But the pilots who survived have a different name for it. The Devil's Anvil.
They describe a moment where the controls go dead.
And a monstrous, unseen hand pulls them down into the void.
Was it a natural phenomenon? A freak atmospheric anomaly?
Or was it something else? Something older?
Something that awakened when we dug too deep? The mine has a life of its own. It breathes.
It waits.
A gaping wound in the earth, guarding its secrets.
And somewhere, at the bottom of the world's deepest wound, the anvil waits for its next victim.
The question isn't whether it's dangerous.
The question is, what is it truly protecting?
The Devil's Anvil is waiting.